Good morning. We had a nice relaxing day, just watching some YouTube videos and hanging out. We are parked in a grocery store parking lot, which sometimes it's not always great, nice scenery where we have to park up, but it works. We're close to town, which we're gonna go check out the town of Jajce. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's spelled J-A-J-C-E. Nothing like what you're supposed to say. But we're going to leave Judy here in the parking lot and we're going to go explore a little bit and check out this pretty cool town. Hope you enjoy. So even though we are not parked in the nicest camp spot there is, we're only about a 5 or 10 minute walk from downtown, which is awesome. A lot of times, since we're so big, we have to park way outside of town, catch a cab, or walk much further to get into town. But this one worked out pretty well, and we're heading in now.
It's so beautiful. A dark one.
Jajce was, nope, Jajce.
Jajce.
Jajce? Jajce?
Jajce.
Jajce. Jajce?
Jajce.
Jajce or Jajce? We're gonna figure out. I'm gonna go with Jajce.
Jajce.
Jajce. Jajce or Jajce? Jajce. We're gonna go with Jajce.
No, not Jajce.
Jajce.
It's Jajce.
So, Jajce.
So.
Jajce was founded in about the 14th century. Some of the earliest writings that they could find about this was 1396, I believe it was. And it was part of the medieval Bosnian Empire. After that, in late 1500s, this was one of the last cities to fall under the Ottoman Empire rule. And now it is just a small city in Bosnia, but it is beautiful.
It's amazing.
There is this beautiful river that runs through the entire city and a massive waterfall at the end, which we're getting ready to go see, so stay tuned, we'll get there shortly. But there's this beautiful park to walk down through. There's a massive fort up on the hill, and most of the city is actually inside of the fort walls, which is really cool. We walked around last night and just couldn't believe it. And at night it was beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, that was all I had. On a side note, let's give it up for Kristal that she is actually being comfortable talking on camera. She's very nervous a lot of times, so toss her a comment down in the link and let her know she's doing a good job.
Jajce. I don't know how he does it, but with the power of Google, Alex finds the coolest places, and this is one of 2 prominent cities that I always remember having waterfalls in the middle of it, and this is an amazing waterfall town.
Coming down to the waterfall, you have this little one here behind us that comes off to the side of the river and loops around, and then you have this giant one that just plummets. It's way down there. We're gonna walk around to the other side and it'll give us a much better view, but man, to have this in the city, this is beautiful.
I totally get it. These waterfalls are huge and they make such a rush and an impact. But check this out.
Look what I found. I found another hole.
You are not.
We are. past the spider web.
Oh wow, you can kind of see in there.
Wow.
Do you want to show everybody what you see?
Let me see first. It's just filled.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's just filled with a bunch of trash.
Nice! But it's so jagged and almost like the ocean. It's amazing. Gosh. I love nature.
Made it to a viewpoint over here on the other side. You can really see the size of the waterfall here. We were over, I don't know if you can see, but we were way over there on the other side earlier. This is such a better view. We're gonna work our way down to this little platform and take a look. But check out the size of that waterfall. Very, very cool. As with any touristy type spot, unfortunately, there's always places you have to pay. So we're gonna see how much this costs to go down to that little platform at the bottom, see if it's worth it.
I'm just gonna go try it.
It's 5 marks.
I have 2 5 marks.
They're probably all locked unless you pay.
Oh.
Yeah, Kristal's got to pee, and if you don't know about a place in Europe, always have to pay for the bathroom. So we're going to, I guess we're going to pay a couple bucks.
And back. Okay, thank you. Yay!
Voila.
Voila, voila.
So as of right now, 5 marks is right around $3 US. So we paid about $6 to walk down to a platform. Hopefully it's worth it. The mist from the waterfall is crazy down here.
Watch my hair do this.
Not even that close, already starting to get wet. Can you see it wet in my beard? Yeah.
That's good. Oh my gosh, yes!
It is a great view though.
Oh, wow.
Check this out. Alright, well I tried to get close to the waterfall and I'm a little wet. I should have brought my raincoat. Check that out. I don't even know if you can see. There, is that any better?
Oh man, it's beautiful. This is amazing.
I think Kristal had the right idea of coming up here to the top where there's a lot less mist. Man. Check that out.
Snacking on these crazy rocks down here. And it's just going up in the air. It's just the most beautiful thing.
Oh no, I'm gonna try to zoom in on my other camera, but over here it just sits in these little pools and everything. That's very cool. Definitely a great view down there. Got a little wet, so now we need to dry out. But I don't know. Was it really worth $6?
I don't know.
Eh,
We'll see.
you tell us. All right, we're getting ready to head into town. You can see behind me here, there is the old bell tower and the fortress all the way up on top of the hill. The main fortress sits in the center, but it has walls all the way around the town. And you have to enter through these walls in order to get inside of the town fortress area, which is very, very interesting. Here's one of the entrances to get into the city through the city wall. You can see the cars just driving through the little tiny tunnel over there. And you got like a guard tower, the wall all the way around. Very cool.
You're thirsty, and what's gonna happen?
I'm gonna drink some. That's nice and cold.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
It's got partial bath too.
When you get into town center here, it's a lot of just restaurants, coffee shops. Seems like a lot of things are closed. We came down last night and it was like a ghost town here. I mean, there was nobody.
No, it was nice.
But we are here in the off season, so that could be why everything is so empty or closed up. Oh my.
50%.
That's very good.
Yeah, very good. Das ist Natur.
Natural.
Natur.
Ah, okay, okay.
Ja. Das ist, geht nicht, Lauch ist.
That.
Nein,
No?
nein, andere. Aber, andere. Sliva, isto, super. Sliva, to...
So we've been invited to a special Christmas Eve party, and we think that this is going to be able to bring the spirits up for Christmas Eve. We're excited to be with family.
Correction from earlier. It's a bear tower, not a bell tower.
Yes, you are. You having a nice day in the sunshine? Yeah? Oh.
This spot is where we're gonna go see some catacombs. Don't know anything about it, so we'll figure it out. This one costs 2 marks a piece, so 4 marks total, which is about, what, $2.50 to go down here into these catacombs.
This is cool.
Look, another hole. Let's go explore.
I'm not claustrophobic. I'm not claustrophobic.
Oh yeah, they got lights.
Thank goodness. Wow. What?
Wow. Hopefully this is coming out on the camera and you can see some of this since they have lights down here. But in the 14th and 15th century, the city had undergone a massive development, and I believe this was part of it. It is actually carved out of the live stone in this area, and it says it's about, or it resembles a church or tomb type of place. But there's all these little pockets of things carved out all over the place. One of the really cool parts about these underground places, we've ran across some castles that are like this. They dig all of this out of the stone that's already here, and you can see all of the little engraved marks where they were just chipping away at the rock. It's all over back here behind me. I couldn't imagine sitting here trying to just chisel away all this rock to make these amazing underground areas. Some of this out here is so perfectly round on the ceiling, and they do a fantastic job. Okay, the catacombs were worth the $2.50 to get in. This was way better than the $6 we spent to go stand and look at a waterfall on the platform.
Yeah, this is really good.
Okay, another correction. This might be the bear tower. That over there might still be the bell tower.
Sorry, I need to photo this.
Final answer. I'm going with this being the bell tower and that over there being the bear tower. I think that one's the right choice. Now we are on our way up to the fortress. Before that, lots of steps. Fortress, 4 marks. So about the same as the catacombs. And we're gonna go check it out. Look here, honey.
Yay for van life!
Stay. On the spot.
Well, I feel like this town, Jajce
Jajce.
was...
Got it.
Yeah,
Jajce.
Jajce. It had a lot of character. I feel like there had a lot of things to see here, and I really loved meeting some of the people. They were really nice. They thought we were natives because we spoke so fluently in in Bosnian.
We know how to say good day.
Yeah, that's pretty.
We got
pretty much
one.
it.
Jeez. Yeah, this town was very cool. It was a little more than, or a little more touristy than we normally do. We normally don't pay for a lot of things to go in, but they actually weren't that expensive, and it was nice to explore some of the historic areas in town. You know, kind of like the bell tower behind us in Jajce.
Jajce.
Well, we are going to wander back to the Ambo and head on to the next camp spot. So we're going to end the video here. Really hope you enjoyed our tour of Jajce, and until next time, we'll see you later.